Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing a clean environment. Create a virtualenv and pip install Matplotlib, Pillow, NumPy, and Pandas so dependencies stay predictable. Next, load your dataset and inspect a few rows to understand ranges and types. This informs scaling and color choices. Then instantiate a figure with plt. Figure, fig size equals 8, 5, DPI equals 100, and create an axis. Plot a simple line or scatter to verify axes, labels, and data alignment. Once you see correct points, proceed to styling. Once the basic plot is visible, focus on clarity. Set axis limits, tick intervals, and aspect equals equal when required to avoid distortion. Add annotations and arrows to highlight critical values and call ax. Legend, with lock choices for clear labeling. For filled regions or density, use contour, p-color mesh, or imshow with a chosen color map. Set alpha to 0. 6 for overlays. If combining vector and raster elements, convert images with pillow and overlay using axes. Imshow with transform settings so everything aligns precisely. To finalize, export with plt. Savefig, graphic. SVG format equals SVG for crisp scalable output, or use PNG at desired DPI for bitmap use. Make sure bbox inches equals tight to avoid cut labels. Verify the result by opening it at final size and inspect text sizes and colors. If printing, confirm sRGB and resolution. If items look misplaced, check axis transforms, mismatched DPI between figure and backend, and Zorder ordering. Adjust and re-export until alignment and legibility match requirements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.